Hi guys, there are so many websites in the internet, but some of the amazing websites you didn't know existed and it also useful. So let's start. Before that, watch top 5 crazy website in the above cards because the websites that are listed in that video are so useful. So check it out. By the way, the website link are attached in the video descriptions. So it is easy for you to check the website. First website we are going to see is a goodmovie2watch.com. As a name of the website, it gives some of the best film recommendations to watch by clicking the random button and choosing the services. It gives one best film at the time. You can also search the movie you want in the search bar. Second website is accountkiller.com. If you are struggling to delete Facebook, Instagram or any other accounts, then this website is for you. This website helps to delete your account by giving the info of what kind of account, your name, your email and country. But it only works for those who are currently living in United States. Third website is skiplag.com. In this website, you can get cheapest and best flight recommendations. By putting your destination and date, it will automatically show some of the best and cheapest flights available, and you can also compare the various prices of the flights easily from the website. Fourth website is timeanddate.com. If you want to know how many days, hours, minutes and even seconds you lived, then in this website you can know how many days you lived. By clicking calculators section and click day to date calendar to see this. By entering your birthday, and put today in the date, you can know everything about time from this website. In this website, you can also see various time zones around different countries in the world clock section. If you have any doubt about date and time, you simply check this website. Fifth website is USPS mailboxes.com. By entering your zip code, city or state, it will show USPS mailboxes and drop boxes that are nearest in your areas. But it also works only for United States area. For example, I enter LA. You see, it shows various mailboxes that are located in the LA. So that's all. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech contents. Comments the website that really makes you feel amazing. Follow me on Instagram and Telegram for tech updates. See you soon. Goodbye.